Good day, guys. Once I am Rochelle Gano, and I am Carly Longo from BSN Social Studies 3-1. We are here to conduct an interview from two students and two instructors about their perspective on AI. Here in Bohol Island State University main campus. So what are we waiting? Let's go! Good morning.
Morning.
So what's your name?
I am Kenneth Nagua from BSC.
Is it okay to take a video?
Yes, sure.
Okay, so here are the questions about related to AI. So, how have AI tools been integrated into your teaching or learning experience?
As a student, AI tools have integrated in my teaching learning experience, especially with our academic research. Our staff said we can use AI so that we can be more smart in doing the research. And of course, AI has been a tool for us to create a framework and navigate some of the aspects that the human being does do. And for me, AI has been a great tool, but we also need to think on the pros and cons of having it.
So, can you share an example of an AI tool that you have used in a classroom setting? Is it physical or virtual?
In my case, the AI tools that I have been enjoying a lot are Perplexity AI and ChatGPT. For those who don't know, Perplexity AI is one of the most efficient AI tool because if you will search some articles, journals, or even review literature, the tool can give you a definite source, for example, and ChatGPT will also is a tool for you to check your grammars, to answer your questions. But as I said, AI is a great tool, but also you need to take into consideration.
Okay, so what ethical considerations should be taken into account when integrating AI tools in education?
I think the most I think the most ethical consideration is the value of discernment, and of course what you call this, like being or being honest with yourself. Because at the end of the day, AI will not bring you a good word, but it is about yourself. So as a student and as a teacher, you also need to educate yourself more and use it.
So I think that's all. Thank you so much, Kenneth.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rachel Dano from Business Social Studies B1. Okay, about my major program. Okay, so here's the questions, ma'am. So first is, do you think integrating AI in education brings more harm rather than good?
For me, no, depends. Pero ari ko laban sa more harm kay kasagaran ang girl kay murang nagdependent na bitaw sila sa kanang AI kanang dali ko kanang search nya bitaw wala ko magamit na ang nagsalig na lang sila sa AI ko na for example more harm siya. Pero depende mo sa kapatid.
Thank you, ma'am. So the last question is, what ethical consideration should be taken into account when integrating AI tools into education?
Ethical considerations. Dapat yung sa imo. Dapat accountable ka sa imo pagdalit sa anak mo. Kay para magud taw ra ko ta. Tinuon na kay go, tinuon na panahon ron. So nagaybo ko mga technology or dapat as humans magamit ka pala ko ito kana kita actually ito tato nya ever magamit ka sa AI dapat accountable ka sa dapat also gamit ka maupod ka nga gamit ang maguna-una bitaw sa dapat dili kay mo gamit na gamit dapat sa iyo gamit taguna-una ka nga na ko kay na learn bitaw ta nga so kanina ay mo dili ko nya ni dili kay more ipasagat ka sa tools na hindi ka so ano saktan na ba.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much for your answers, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, I'm Rachel Dano from Business Social Studies B1. I am working at the I have questions here, ma'am. So first is, do you think integrating AI in education brings more harm rather than good?
So I don't think it's either great and good or bad. So it depends for some. It depends on person. So because how it says some people they use and others that, but some others use it for their own approach. Like correctly naman as long as they correctly use it as an example. And so as an instructor, it's really good that and support and teach and guide the students not to depend on it. Or teaching the students how to think and how and not to depend on it.
Thank you so much for your answer.
Good morning, sir. I am Carly Longo from BSN Social Studies. So I'm here to ask you a few questions. So can you share an example of an AI tool that you have used in a classroom setting that is physical or virtual?
Yes, for virtual, we I'll assist our students with their performance. For example, I usually refer the Google, for example, or the dictionary or the Olympics, for example, for me to simplify the assessing their performance as students. Aside from that, these studies is very helpful tungkol kay wala na silang mga tools, murag hulay ang proseso sa teaching and learning process with the students and teachers. Mas madali, mas madali ang process ang nalilid nila kung na-organize. Example, ang is their samples.
Thank you so much, sir.